All right, guys, let's be real for a second. Your beard, it's either your biggest asset or can be your biggest liability. And I'm gonna guess for the most of you guys that are watching this video right now, I can say you guys probably need a little bit of improvement. Am I right? I used to think beard care was just, let your beard grow out and hope for the best. But let me tell you guys, I was wrong. Today I'm sharing my 5 game-changing tips that's gonna take your beard from looking messy to looking spectacular. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Jacob. I'm a barber. I've been a barber for about 8 years now almost. And I do a lot of content on haircuts, ASMR, or if you guys really do like it, I'm gonna be doing more beard grooming tips and help elevating your beard to the next level. Stick around to the end because I got a bonus tip that's gonna change everything for your beard game. All right, tip number 1, stop using your wife or your girlfriend's plastic brushes that she has just laying around in her drawers. Please stop this. No, seriously, I know guys that do this. Get yourself a boar bristle brush, all right? Because your facial hair is completely different than your head hair, all right? It's more coarse, it's curlier, and it's very stubborn. You need a proper boar bristle brush, right? Because it's not synthetic, it's not plastic, and it's gonna pull out or rip out your hairs, right? You need a boar bristle brush. Got this one off Amazon. It's from Alpha Organics. Really good to use, all right? And what the brush is gonna do is untangle your beard. It's gonna help properly distribute oil across your beard. And believe it or not, it's gonna help stimulate hair growth, all right? Because when you're brushing your beard, it's getting a slight itch, which stimulates blood flow, which stimulates collagen to be built. And collagen is what helps grow your beard, or what helps grow hair. So here are some techniques that I like to do. I like to brush my beard up to untangle it and really get off my face. And then I brush it back down in the growth pattern that my beard likes to grow in, or the way I want my beard to lay down. Tip number 2, this isn't an option, this is mandatory, all right? Beard oil. Look, I understand, adding another thing into your routine is annoying, but beard oil is a must. So what the beard oil does is help travel to your cuticle and actually hydrate your cuticle from the skin, all right? Because your natural oils are not gonna get there really, all right? You need beard oil. If you have a small beard, about a week to 3 weeks long, I'll say just do a couple drops. If you're more than a month, I'll say 3 to 5 drops. And if you have a really big beard, I'll do like 5 to 7 drops, right? Pour that into your palm of your hands, rub that in and really get underneath your skin and get to the cuticle of your hair, right? So it stays hydrated, conditions, and will help grow new and healthy hairs. And guys, this isn't about looking good with your beard, all right? This is about helping your beard stay conditioned, and it's gonna help prevent having dandruff and flakes that get all over your shirt and doesn't look good. And trust me, your coworkers are gonna thank you for it. Tip number 3, learn how to properly line up your neckline, all right? Get yourself a good trimmer, invest into it, all right? You can tell this one's been all banged up because I've been using it for a very, very long time, all right? It's lasted me a while. It's been like 3 years since I've had that trimmer. It's very sharp, cuts clean, sharp lines. You don't have to go over it too many times. This is where I see the most disasters and guys messing up their beard because they're lining up too high, making them look like they're chin strap and showing off the double chin, or they're keeping it too low where they look homeless and looks like, they're hibernating overnight, and you don't want that look. You want to look presentable. So here's the rule of thumb, all right? Take 2 fingers, put it above your Adam's apple if you want just a normal, good sized beard, right? If you want a longer beard, I would do 1 finger above your Adam's apple, and eventually you'll just let all that grow if you're really growing a long beard, all right? So you go ahead and punch that line in, and you slightly bring it up towards your jawline as you're going back, all right? And then you remove everything that's below your neck, right? And always work slow and patient. Start lower if you need to and work your way up to make sure that it's even and symmetrical on both sides. So like I said, stay conservative because you could always take more off. You can never put the hair back on. Tip number 4 is beard balm. This is your styling secret weapon, all right? Like beard oil conditions your skin, the beard balm is actually more of a styling product, all right? So like I said, the beard oil keeps your skin and your beard hair healthy, but the beard balm is what controls those flyaways and maintains your beard and gives it that nice shape. Think of beard balm as like a gel or a pomade, how you style your hair and it keeps it there. That's what the beard balm does, all right? I usually like to scoop out a thumb size. I'll put that in my hand, rub it in nice and warm until it heats up, and you'll feel it, heating up. And then you take that and you don't want to get all the way in there, you don't need to get to your cuticle, but you do want to get it inside the beard so it kind of gives it a nice hold and then you could go ahead and start styling your beard the way you like it, and it's going to moisturize it, and it's going to give it that nice little shine that you're going to like. So make sure to get yourself a really good beard balm that's not too greasy. You don't want to get something that makes you look shiny or makes your beard look greasy. This is what keeps those flyaways down and making your beard look like it's nicely polished instead of looking like a caveman or giving those caveman vibes, you know. Tip number 5, master the art of eating without wearing your food. Okay, I know this one's practical, but not too many people really talk about this. So when you have a beard, that means every time you're eating, gonna be, you know, an adventure. You're gonna sit there eating and someone's gonna point to you, hey, you got, you know, a little something in your beard, or hey, you got something right here. Trust me, we all know, but make sure to have some napkins, have some wipes or dude wipes or something like that to make sure to keep your beard clean and not, you know, storing food for later. So smaller bites are key. Make sure you open up that mouth, keep that hair away, and you want to approach your food from the top, not straight on. For drinks, especially like coffee or beers or things like that, tilt your head up a little bit and make sure to kind of drink from the side. Your mustache will thank you later. All right, I know you guys have been waiting this whole video. Thank you. If you guys have been sticking around, here's the bonus tip that I've been waiting to tell you guys. The bonus tip is brush your beard before going to bed. This is a game changer, I promise. Most of you guys probably think beard care is just a morning routine, but doing this routine at nighttime will help you. All right, I remember when I was younger, when I was like 16, 17, I was watching George Lopez, laying in bed, and I was continuously rubbing my beard with my board brush to help, one, stimulate blood flow to the beard area and help, you know, grow your hair. Also, it's gonna train your beard to grow in the direction you want. Because a lot of my clients, a lot of people tell me like, how do you get your beard to lay down like that? Why does it look like that? Why is it always like sprouting out? Well, it's because you don't brush enough. You gotta brush it religiously, right? You always wanna be brushing your beard, laying those beards down. Same way how like wavers brush their beard all the time to get that hair to lay down properly. The same thing goes with your beard. Giving your beard a good brush before going to bed is going to remove any particles. It's going to go ahead and distribute the oil and train your beard, like I said. And this is going to set you up in the morning because your beard's already going to be brushed out and you're already done 80% of the work. In the morning, you're going to throw some water in your face, brush out your beard, and you're going to be good to go. All right, there you guys have it. Those were my 5 beard grooming tips that's going to help take your beard to that next level. Go from looking like an amateur beard to a spectacular, well-groomed beard. All right, so let me know down below, comment down below if you ignored any of these tips, because I guarantee one of these were falling out of your routine. Or if you guys were doing them all, great, comment down below. Let me know which one you guys were shocked about or which one you guys didn't know about. If this video helped you out, smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and make sure to turn on the notification bell because you guys do not want to miss the content I'm going to be coming out with soon. All right. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok because that's where I put my daily content and you get to ask me questions and follow me and be part of the community that we have going on. Remember guys, having a great beard is about being consistent, staying to the routine, and being patient. So always let your beard grow for at least a couple months because that's what really will show you your full potential of your beard growth, all right? So I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.